What's the meaning of codswallop? Codswallop. Codswallop.
Codswallop. Codswallop. Codswallop is a British informal term that means nonsense or rubbish. It is commonly used to express disbelief or to suggest that what someone is saying is untrue or illogical. The origins of the word are unclear, but it is believed to have first appeared in the mid-19th century. Today, it remains a popular and colorful expression in British English and is often used in everyday conversation. Overall, codswallop is a light-hearted way of calling something out as false or foolish.